So my name is Bhavya Goyal. I'm 14. I'm from Jaipur and I'm from Jayashree Pariwar International School. So earlier I used to think technology and AI is actually simple to use, but that wasn't really effective. Things we learned here, prompting is actually a key part. The Kendall framework, it taught us how you're supposed to use AI effectively. Now that I know how to use AI effectively, I can make it do anything. If I want to write a research paper, I know how to do that effectively. Earlier, ChatGPT would not really answer in a clear way. Neither would Perplexity. But now that I've learned Kendall frameworks, how to prompt properly, it's simple. So honestly, the most inspiring moment was understanding how you chase a problem. You do not just solve it by creating a base of the car first and then adding a steering wheel. You build a skateboard, then a cycle, then a motorbike, and then you move on to the car. Because what I was trying to do was, I was trying to build the car first and then add a steering wheel. But that didn't really work. So my project was called NeuroLearn. I scraped that off and I created something called NeuroLearn 2.0, which is basically the new version. So my mentor played a vital role. I had a lot of errors. I mean, I had to scrape my entire project in the beginning. But eventually it worked out well. So my project, NeuroLearn 2.0, it's a modular AI educational system, which is basically inclusive and automated learning. So it's for everyone, every student, be it a disabled person, be it someone with hearing problems, being blindness, or having a physical disability, or even normal students in general. So what my project does, it scrapes content from the internet, it goes through past papers, it goes through mark schemes, it goes through base notes, and it creates personalized notes for you. There's also the feature of AI tutoring. So an AI avatar will teach you based on your expressions. If you seem uninterested or if you seem distracted, it will change the way of teaching. It'll change the script up a little. So this really made me understand how technology works, and not just that, but it explained to me how universities work. Is that the lectures, they're not like your typical high school lectures or your typical high school classes. They're actually much more different. So it changed my perspective about learning entirely. Well, learning is not about theory, it's not about mugging up at all. It's all practical.